What's up guys, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Snapchat camera not working on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to go to Snapchat and then a notice will pop up saying you need camera access in the settings. Click on Open Settings and then there is a camera section and it has been turned off. So what you will do is just simply press on the toggle button and make sure that the button is now green. Go back to Snapchat and then now your camera is working. Another method is to go directly to the settings and then scroll down until you reach Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and then do the same things. Toggle or make sure that the toggle button is colored green. Go back to Snapchat and now your camera is working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.